Hi friends, hope all are doing great. Today let us check with installation of Python. Visit this link www.python.org. This is the Python official website. Download Python. Download the latest version for Windows. To download the latest version of Python for Windows, click this link. Okay, just click on this link. Here the downloads is get started. I have already downloaded in my system, so I am not downloading it. Okay, what is the latest version of Python here? 10.3.1.0.2. This is the latest version of Python. Okay. To install and download Anaconda, visit this site. Okay. www.anaconda.com. Okay. See, get started. Here select download Anaconda installers. Anaconda individual editor for Windows. Okay, if you click on this, Anaconda will start downloading here. After downloading, follow few steps to set up the Anaconda. Then just go here in the search bar, type it as Anaconda prompt. Anaconda prompt window is available here. Then Anaconda navigator. Okay. So this is the Anaconda navigator. Anaconda navigator is a GUI, graphical user interface. Okay, here select Jupyter Notepad launch. Just launch the Jupyter Notepad here. This is the home page of Jupyter Notepad. Okay. If you want to add a new folder, just select here, new folder. Okay, one new folder will be added here. See, untitled folder 1 added a second ago. Just click this, select this folder. If you want to rename, select this rename button. Rename the folder as Python 1. Then click on this rename button. Then next open that Python 1 folder. Okay. Then go to this new, open Python 3. Okay, this is the file option. If you want to add new notebook, you can add here the notebook, make a copy, save as, rename. Different options are available here. Then edit, cut cell, copy cell. Okay, What is cell here? This is known as cell. In Python, this is the cell. See here, insert, cell above, insert cell below. If you click on insert above cell, so one cell is added above. If you select insert cell below, one cell is added below. If you select the cell, okay, these are known as cells in Jupyter Notebook. This is the kernel. Okay. Jupyter Notebook is a browser-based interpreter that allows us to interactively work with Python. Okay. What is the extension of Jupyter Notebook? .ipynb. See here. The extension of Jupyter Notebook is .ipynb. Where it is? See, notebook.ipynb. This is the extension of Jupyter Notebook. Okay, Jupyter is a browser-based interpreter. Then this is the help. See, help consists of keyboard shortcuts. These are all the keyboard shortcuts. This is how we will install. First install Python, then install Anaconda, then launch the Jupyter. Anaconda prompt. Okay, you can launch the Jupyter by using Anaconda prompt option also. Just type here Jupyter Notebook. Then press enter. The home page of Jupyter Notebook is opened here. Thanks for watching the video, friends. I hope you understood the concept. Please do like, share and subscribe. Have a great day.